I look like a hot mess, so I'm not putting my face on camera yet. But I just woke up to this. There's a snowstorm. I'm so happy. Kidding, how y'all doing? Yeah, so I just woke up to this massive snowstorm outside my window. So today I don't go into work until later, so I'm gonna try and get a lot of stuff done. And hopefully I'm going to get all of my Christmas gifts finished. I'm gonna wrap my gift for my friend Josh, start and finish my gift for my boss / friend, and then just do some other stuff. Hopefully all before 5:30. So yeah, this is the state that I'm in right now. I'm gonna go fix his hair up, put some normal clothes on, and see where the day takes me, as per usual. So I shall see you guys in a bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. He changed of plan, but it's fine, we're Gucci. I'm gonna make some lunch and put up my Christmas tree or put on some sheets in my bed, but I can only do one before work now apparently, so yeah, I'm gonna go do that. And yeah, so that's my plan for the day. I'm not naked, I'm wearing that shirt that I bought. I don't think I can wear this to work, but I'm obsessed with it. Oops. Oh, this is what's going on right now. When in doubt, make an egg McMuffin. And then I come over here, and this is my view. Look at those snowflakes. They're huge. It's gonna be crazy trying to get to work, but I'm living. Got my egg McMuffin, which looks gnarly. I got my puppy. Oh my god. And we've got a snowstorm. This should be fun getting to work. Real fun. To plan again, guys. The mall I work in is closing because of this snowstorm. So I don't know if I still have to go in. I don't think so, but I'm still waiting on an update. And once I get that, I'll know whether I can start decorating my room for Christmas and finishing all of those Christmas gifts and things. Man, winter is crazy. So for right now, I'm gonna sit on this couch and eat my egg McMuffin and enjoy life. You ever seen a sweeter sight than a dog just looking out the window at the snow? Hi. Oh. Oh, my boy. Did you know you're cute? He doesn't care. He just wants to look at the snow. Honestly, are you even human if you don't dance around your house blasting Delicate? Best song. Not sure what this So It Goes conspiracy theory is, but what a good song! Oh man. I'm convinced that duvet covers are even worse than fitted sheets. I've been sitting here for like an hour trying to figure this guy out, and I can't do it. I've switched it every which way inside the cover. Do you see how sweaty I am? And I just can't figure it out. Yay, I did it. Finally. So the duvet and the matching sham are from Walmart. I think it was like $20 or something. I think it was the kids section. The plaid pillowcase and the matching sheets underneath, which you can't see right now, were from Target. From the like 8 months or so that we had Target in Canada. RIP. And the amazing pug reindeer pillow is from a local home goods style store. If I find out it's a national thing, I'll link it or whatever. But yeah, I got that at the beginning of November, because you see it? Do you see that? God, I love pugs. So anyway, I'm gonna go lay down in this bed now and watch YouTube for a while, because I'm tired. And the scariest part of this YouTube thing is when your computer sounds like it's gonna explode. That's fun. Trying to export your vlog, and this one clip keeps breaking it. It's a shame too, because it's cute. You'll have seen that already. My dog in a sweater. Quality content. So how are you guys? Leave me a comment. How's your winter break going? Your December? Just let me know. Like I said, I was editing. I'm trying to put up week 2. That's going well. I'm about to go eat some dinner. Still waiting for this snowstorm to pass. But tomorrow my friends are coming over and we're gonna have a little gift exchange. So that should be really fun, and I'll vlog a little bit of that if I can. I don't know if they'll want to be on camera, but oh well. So yeah, that's how my night is going. My mom and I are gonna finish decorating our tree, probably watch some TV, and that's it. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. And it worked. Crisis averted. Now that's what a snowstormy Saturday night looks like. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today should be fun. I have my gift exchange with my friends tonight. I think I said yesterday that we're coming to my house, but we're actually going to my friend Ash's. So I'm just getting ready for that, even though that's not for a few hours. I'm gonna do my nails because this is tragic. Finish up packing up their gifts. Maybe bake a little. I don't know. We'll see what happens. How about that Mamma Mia 2 trailer though? The one that got leaked? I know it's not up anymore, but oh my god. Oh my god. That was amazing, and I kind of lost my mind. So yeah. We'll see where the day goes from here, but I'll catch you guys in a bit. I have a random question to ask you guys. If you guys are into old movies, like 50s, 60s kind of movies, leave some suggestions in the comments for movies I should watch from back in those decades. I'm really getting into them. I don't know why this just randomly started to happen, but yeah, I want to watch some more old movies. So yeah, leave me your favorites and I'll go watch them if I can find them. Outfit tonight is pretty simple. Navy blue slip top from Marshalls, black cardigan from Forever 21, and my dark jeans from American Eagle. Choker from there. Curly hair. So I'm gonna go head out and I'll probably see you guys later. And that's close up on my choker again because it's too gorgeous not to show up close. I love it. Dear God, like that's perfect.
Yeah.
What?
Actually, the time, maybe.
My son's over there.
Put it on the top, yeah.
Oh my god, no. I can put things in the oven.
You sure?
No.
Oh my god.
I'm not sure, but if I wasn't sure, I would.
Fave ever.
Yeah.
Like, come on. Classy queen.
Wait, can I just be disoriented?
Just hang on. Wait. To make this easier to hold on to this. Okay. To make this easier to vlog.
Let's go over here, girl. You get it.
I'm also sweeping the floor
It's
with
fine.
myself.
I'm gonna scooch this down.
So wait, do you want the lights on?
No, that's fine.
Are you sure? Okay.
No.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Are you ready for it?
Go.
Okay. Figure it out. Oh no, mine's stuck. No!
And yet again, another festive event ruined.
That was shade! No,
Okay, ready?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god! These are perfect! Did you make this?
Yeah. Dear God. This is really happening, isn't it?
Oh
no.
Yes! I am excited.
Oh, I'm not. Woohoo! Thanks for the blood!
Get the hell out of my house. Wow. I can't. I love standing talent. I love talented actors. Wow.
Sweetie, you just
Elliot seems like
You can't just no.
I love how in these movies, people like get caught like making out stuff, and then one person just leaves the building. Like, they just leave. It's like, why don't you just go in another room?
He's like, ah! Okay, if there's one thing I can't fault this movie for, it's the freaking soundtrack.
Yeah. No,
Oh my god!
Building. Yeah. This is
Like,
amazing.
where's my Beyonce Red Room? Like, please.
Yeah.
That's
amazing.
all I care about is that Beyonce
The
song.
soundtrack is great, and I Don't Want to Live Forever on 50 Shades Darker. Yeah, the tune.
And this
Oh,
one
let me just
song.
buckle your
Yeah,
seatbelt
okay.
Because you're
Let me just-
literally a toddler. Oh, and you
Oh, there's another one.
Because that's just on your crotch, so I have to do that one. Oh, better.
Oh no, okay.
Wow.
Alright. Bye, sweetie.
Wow. This is on another level.
Congratulations. You should be very proud.
Oh boy.
Congrats again.
It was like 5 minutes ago. Chill out.
He's the one being like, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? It's like, calm the hell down.
Mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy.
That's really him. Oh, this is a good one.
today are gonna wake you up. They're gonna be like, wake up, guys.
Nice try, SquarePants.
Then 8 and 1, 2.
Oh my gosh.
No, this is a crayon.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh.
She will still torment me, calm me, hurt me, move me, come what may. Wasting in my lonely tower, waiting by a... So it's time to take some action, boys. It's time to follow me.
Morning, guys. Happy Monday. I gotta say, last night was one of the best nights of my life. Every time I see my friends, we don't really get to see each other too often, but when we do, honestly, it was just too good. Get yourself a squad that you can stay up watching Vine compilations with until all hours of the night. Because that's all we did last night. Besides what you saw. Anyway, I'm going into work for a little bit to cover for some people, help out wherever I can. It's early. There's only a week until Christmas though, so that's pretty cool. Is everybody excited? Anyway, I should probably end this clip here. So we'll see you guys in a sec. Honestly, I curled my hair 12 hours ago. And it's still looking like this. Thank goodness for good hairspray and messy buns. I have a second, so I think I'm gonna show you guys some of the things my friends got me last night. Because they're so sweet. I didn't include in the last vlog what I got them or what I made them, so I'll put that here as well. But I made them some plates, some silly things that they've said. They just look cute, so that was that. And then there was a couple of other things, and they're really cute too. So anyway, here's a couple of things that my friends gave me last night. So if you don't know me in real life or don't follow me on social media, you wouldn't know that Mania by Fall Out Boy is quickly becoming one of my favorite albums of all time. And there's only 4 singles out so far. My friend Katie got me this, and guys, look at it. I want to wear it every day, but I don't think I can get away with it at work. Sad times. Every other minute of every other day, though, I will be wearing it, so yeah. She also got me this book, which is a movie that the three of us all went to see together, and I was the only one of our trio that didn't read it before seeing the movie. So now I get to read the book. And she got me these cute little nail polishes, which I'm obsessed with, so everything kind of went together in color scheme. I'm dying to put this one on my nails. Like, absolutely dying. Like, look how gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait. Then my friend Ash and her sister were the absolute sweetest, and they got me this blanket, which is so soft, and I can't wait to unpack it and put it on my bed. And this incredible mug. Y'all know how I feel about pugs. So I can't wait to drink caffeine out of this. Oh boy. They also got me the 2017 Beauty and the Beast soundtrack on vinyl, which you saw me dying over last night. A fun fact, Evermore is one of my favorite songs of all time. It makes me cry every single time I hear it. Yeah, so that on vinyl. Good stuff. Real good stuff. But yeah, that was everything, and I just wanted to publicly thank my friends for being so awesome and so cute and pretty much my soulmates. Like, guys, I don't want to ramble on too much on YouTube, but God bless you. And I really don't know what I would do without our little quartet. I think I'm gonna roll up to work without any makeup on today. I'm probably gonna brush out my brows and do something, but I feel like my skin looks good enough that I can just roll up, especially if I'm only going in for a few hours. I don't know yet how that's gonna roll, but yeah. So, no makeup Monday? Is that still a thing? I have no idea. Also, on the topic of Mania by Fall Out Boy, if you haven't heard Champion or Last of the Real Ones, even Hold Me Tight and Young and Menace, all of it that's out so far, please go buy it, or go stream it, or buy it, or any of those things. And when you do, leave me a comment telling me which of the 4 songs is your favorite. I'm dying for January 19th. I can't wait to listen to the rest of the album. Oh my god. It's so good. Personally, my favorites are, in order, Real Ones, Champion, Hold Me Tight. Young and Menace is fine, but it was the first song out, so it's fine that I don't like it so much. I just looked at my face up close. I won't show you my face up that close, but I have glitter all over my face from last night. You probably saw in the t-shirt clip that I was wearing this like intense like glitter eye, and now it's all over my face and probably everywhere else on my body as well. Oh, don't you just love glitter? So I've been thinking about it, and you probably already realized if you're watching this, but I think this vlog is only going to go up until, no, hold on. Yeah, so I'm gonna have this vlog go up until Saturday of this week. So then Christmas Eve and Christmas Day will be in the same vlog. Yeah, so, and then after Christmas, things will probably slow down, but I'll still vlog here and there. And then do like a New Year's Eve special. I don't know. I'm still trying to decide on that. I thought I was going to, but we shall see. I don't even know what I'm doing on New Year's yet, so we'll see how that goes, and you'll find out. I opened the blanket, and I have no regrets. Oh, so comfy. And that, my friends, is Beauty and the Beast on vinyl. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good.
Forever. How can a story never die? It is love we must hold on to.
God, this is so good. This song makes me cry. It feels weird for it to be so quiet in here now. But I'm drinking out of my Bah Humpug mug. I forgot my coffee this morning. Cold. But it's fine. It's an iced chai latte. In a pop mug. So I'm living. So I tried to show you this the other night, but I didn't really say anything. The lighting was kind of bad. So this is our Christmas tree. My mom likes to call it our Grinch tree. I think it's something to do with the Jim Carrey version of the Grinch. I haven't seen that movie in forever, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. But yeah, it's cute as heck. So honestly, guys, I think that's going to be the end of today. I'm just sitting back here going to start editing because I have 3 days worth of footage to put into a new vlog. I'm probably going to start reading my book, curl up in a blanket, maybe make another chai latte. I don't know yet, but yeah, I was supposed to go out to dinner tonight, but those plans fell through. It's fine, it's all good. But yeah, so now I have nothing to do tonight, so I'm just gonna chill, and yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey friends, thought I'd check in for today. Not much of a vlog today. I worked all morning into the afternoon. It's pretty stressful, but yeah, so now I'm home. I'm gonna finish up a Christmas gift that I have to do, and then probably gonna relax for a little bit, read the book my friend got me. I'm out of breath. Anyway, so yeah, maybe later I'll put my Christmas tree up. If not, it'll be tomorrow for sure. So yeah, if that's it for me tonight, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and if not, I'll see you later. Bye guys.
You brought a shirt for me? No.
Yeah, I did.
That's adorable. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Today's gonna be kind of a slow day, but I should be putting my Christmas tree up. Something like that. I don't have work until later, so I'm gonna go do that later on today. So I'll have time during the day to relax and put that up, put some ornaments on it, and finally get festive. The last couple days were more festive than it's been, but yeah, I don't really know what else to say. My big brother is coming home. He lives in another province, so he's coming home for Christmas, so we get to pick him up tonight. I don't know if I'll go to the airport again. I want to, but since I'm working late, I might be too tired, and yeah. So because of that, I might not be talking too much in the vlogs for the next couple of days because he stays right across the hall from me, so I don't want to just be like yelling at my phone while he's around. I don't know, it's still a little embarrassing, but we'll get through it, I think. So yeah, I don't really have much planned for the day, so I'll try and get up to something interesting so you guys are a little more entertained. And I'll see you guys later. Last night you guys saw me give my friend Vanessa her Christmas gift. It was a sweater that had a picture of Steve Harrington on it, and it said "World's Best Mom." If you watch Stranger Things season 2, you'll get it. And she loved it, apparently. Just from the reaction clip I got. And she was super, super sweet to me and gave me a bunch of little candles. And apparently she's still working on something as like a part 2. She's an artist, so I always look forward to seeing whatever she comes up with because she's so talented. Yeah, but yeah, she's so talented, and I'm super excited to see what she comes up with because I die over her art. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna burn one of those candles later because she managed to pick out all of my favorites, which is kind of awesome. So yeah, that's it from me for now, I think. I'm really having a bad time with this vlogging thing today. I don't know why I'm struggling to come up with words. It's different. I'm at Starbucks today. I have made it a goal to try all of the holiday drinks before the holidays, or before Christmas. So I've tried 3 so far. I've had the chestnut praline latte and the eggnog latte. Or is it 2 that I've had? I think it's 2. No, it's those 2. Anyway, so yeah, I need the gingerbread and whatever the other one is. I think it's a something or other. I've had the peppermint mocha before. It's not my favorite, so I'll probably skip out on that one. So yeah, gingerbread latte and whatever the other one is. I can't remember. Anyway, yeah, so I'll probably get one of those before my shift because there's a Starbucks right across the way. So that should be fun. I'm excited. I don't think I've ever had it before. Yeah, we'll see if I meet my goal. Okay, but this sweater though, I think this is from Walmart last year. I'm not sure. I just found it when I was cleaning up my closet, and I'm gonna wear it. The sleeves are kind of an awkward length, so I'm gonna have to put on some jewelry, but yeah, so I've got this guy, and then my Calvin pants that I love to death. And I think I'm gonna roll up to work again with no makeup on, because for one thing, I'm just too lazy. And I don't think I'm gonna have time, because I really want to put up my tree. And that's gonna take a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go make some lunch now. So I absolutely annihilated that breakfast. And now I'm just sitting down watching Sophie's compilation vlog that she just uploaded. If you don't know Sophie, the Milk Club is her channel name. She's kind of awesome. She doesn't upload often, but when she does, it's either fashion or these compilation vlogs that are usually from like about a month. And they're just so aesthetically pleasing and fun to watch. And she's gorgeous, so go check her out if you don't already subscribe to her. So this is what I have so far. I need to get an extension cord because the cable on this tree for the lights is very short and the closest outlet is over there. I could just move that power bar, but I don't know if it'll move that far. So yeah, this is what I have. I'm gonna put my ornaments on it later, I've decided. So maybe later after I get home from work if I'm not too tired, or tomorrow. So when I get all that done, I'll show it to you guys all lit up. Just kidding. It just barely reached. Reached? Is that the past tense of reach? I really don't know. Anyway, I feel like there should be another piece on the bottom there. Maybe I just need to fluff the branches a bit more. I'm not sure. Anyway, let me darken it a little bit so it looks cool. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Now I feel festive. When you think it's gonna be dead at work and it's kind of slow, I think people are finally getting their Christmas gifts all done. It's kind of amazing. Sorry about the lack of footage for that for the last few days. I haven't been feeling very well and I've just been working a lot, so yeah, we'll see what I can catch in the next few days. See you guys. Apologies for my appearance, but I just wanted to sign off this vlog and say I hope you enjoyed my Vlogmas. I'll try and do it even better next year. Wow, look at all this glitter. Anyways, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in a few days for my Christmas special vlog.